Imagine waking up one morning, stepping outside and seeing something completely new in the sky. Strange, ghostly structures stretching across the cosmos, unseen worlds floating in space, and invisible forces now suddenly illuminated. What if, overnight, dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up 85% of the universe's mass, became visible to the human eye? Would we see hidden galaxies, floating cosmic structures, or something even more mind-blowing? And more importantly, would this revelation change everything we know about the universe? Let's dive deep into this mind-bending scenario. Before we explore what would happen if it became visible, let's break down what dark matter actually is. Scientists believe dark matter is an invisible, mysterious substance that doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light. It doesn't interact with normal matter through electromagnetic forces, which is why we can't see it. However, we know it exists because of its gravitational effects. It bends light, influences galaxies, and holds the universe together. Dark matter was first theorized in the 1930s when astronomer Fritz Zwicky noticed that galaxies were moving faster than they should, given the amount of visible matter they contained. Something unseen, an invisible mass, was exerting gravitational pull. Later, Vera Rubin's research in the 1970s confirmed that galaxies rotate at speeds that would cause them to fly apart if only visible matter existed. So, dark matter is there. We just can't see it. But what if we could? Now let's imagine a reality where, overnight, dark matter becomes visible. Perhaps some strange cosmic event alters its fundamental properties, allowing it to interact with light. Suddenly, the invisible framework of the universe is laid bare before our eyes. Looking up at the night sky, we would see massive, web-like structures spanning billions of light years, connecting galaxies in a vast cosmic web. These filaments of dark matter, previously invisible, would create an eerie, glowing backdrop to space. Instead of a vast emptiness between galaxies, we'd see gigantic, ghostly highways of matter crisscrossing the cosmos. But what about on Earth? If dark matter exists in and around our planet, would we start seeing invisible structures floating around us? Scientists believe dark matter passes through us all the time, so if it became visible, would we suddenly see strange particles swirling around us like an eerie cosmic fog? One of the biggest consequences of dark matter becoming visible would be its impact on science and astronomy. Scientists have been trying for decades to detect and understand dark matter. If we could suddenly see it, this would lead to a scientific revolution unlike anything before. Astronomers could map out the universe with unprecedented detail, seeing hidden structures, dark galaxies, and previously unknown cosmic objects. Physics would be turned upside down. We could finally determine what dark matter is actually made of, whether it's composed of exotic particles like WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, or something entirely new. Understanding gravity and fundamental forces, our theories of physics would need major updates, potentially leading to groundbreaking discoveries in quantum mechanics and relativity. On a more personal level, what would it mean for us? Would our daily lives change? Likely not, at least not immediately. Since dark matter doesn't interact with normal matter, we wouldn't feel its presence even if we could see it. However, if it had a noticeable visual effect, our perception of reality might shift forever. Imagine walking down the street and seeing dark matter flows drifting past us like unseen currents, or looking at the sky and witnessing massive cosmic structures stretching beyond our galaxy. For scientists, it could lead to new technologies, potentially even methods of harnessing dark matter for energy or travel. If we could manipulate it, could we build dark matter-powered spacecraft? Could it unlock new dimensions in physics? While the idea of dark matter becoming visible is fascinating, it also comes with potential risks. What if seeing dark matter reveals hidden cosmic threats? Are there unknown dark matter objects lurking in space that could suddenly become visible, like hidden planets or rogue celestial bodies? What if visibility changes dark matter's behavior? If dark matter began interacting with light, could it cause unexpected cosmic shifts, perhaps altering the gravitational balance of galaxies or even our own solar system? Could humanity handle the existential shock? Seeing an entirely new reality might be overwhelming, shaking our understanding of existence itself. In the end, if dark matter suddenly became visible, it would be one of the greatest discoveries in human history. The mysteries of the cosmos would unfold before us, and our understanding of the universe would expand dramatically. But with this revelation would come new questions, new challenges, and a profound shift in how we see our place in the universe. Would you want to wake up in a world where dark matter was visible? Or is some knowledge best left unseen? Let us know your thoughts. For more mind-blowing space content, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.